If you ask a man on the street, he'll probably say he wants a bigger penis. Since this is such a common desire, there are many supplements and products on the market that claim to increase penis size. Most of the medicinal plants used in these miraculous drugs have no scientific basis. To help you get out of this mess, we've answered some of the most frequently asked questions by men about how to use herbal supplements and products to enlarge their penis. What is a normal penis length? In its erect state, those 13 centimeters and above are normal. It is very common for men to feel embarrassed about their penis size, but the truth is, most penises are perfectly normal in size. Studies show that men who think they have a small penis actually have a normal size penis. A penis is considered abnormally small only if it is less than 7.5 centimeters when erect. Part of the problem is that many men have an exaggerated idea of what normal penis size is. Also, many advertisers have convinced people that their partner cares deeply about their penis size. If it really bothers you, try talking to your partner about it. Do penis enlargement pills work? No, none of them have been proven to work, and in fact, they can even be harmful. There are many supplements and pills on the market that claim to increase sexual performance and enlarge the penis. But in fact, their content is full of vitamins, minerals, herbs, and hormones that have no scientific basis to support their grand claims. Some of these may also contain ingredients that could be harmful to you, especially if you have an underlying health condition such as heart disease or diabetes. For example, if you take a penis enlargement pill that contains a stimulant, your heart rate and blood pressure may rise, which can be dangerous if you have heart disease. Additionally, most supplements do not need to be tested or approved by health organizations, so they may contain ingredients that are not listed on the label. Are penis enlargement creams effective? No. There is no evidence that creams or lotions enlarge the penis. Just as penis enlargement pills have no scientific basis, there are no creams or lotions on the market that can enlarge the penis. Some may be harmless, but if you bought it from an ordinary source, the cream may contain toxic substances such as lead, pesticides, and animal feces. Applying cream or lotion to your penis may help you relax and get used to it, but it may not enlarge your penis. Does hawthorn fruit enlarge penis? Hawthorn fruit may be good for heart diseases, but it does not enlarge the penis. Some studies suggest that hawthorn berry extract may be an effective natural way to treat and regulate some heart problems. Although hawthorn is sometimes included in the content of many pills and products that claim to improve sexual performance and increase libido, it does not have an effect such as enlarging the penis. Is cachawaba bark extract beneficial in enlarging the penis? It can energize you, but it will not enlarge your penis. Cachawaba bark comes from a tree in the Brazilian rainforest and is a natural stimulant that can give a caffeine-like invigoration. Taking cachawaba bark supplements can be a healthy alternative to coffee when you need some energizing, and catawba bark doesn't enlarge your penis, although it's often found in pills and supplements that claim to improve sexual performance. The energy of the cachawaba bark will likely boost your spirits or vitality, but will not enlarge your penis. This may help with erectile dysfunction, but may present other health risks. Dehydroepiandrosterone (DHA) is a sex hormone that the body produces, and some men start producing less of it in their 30s. This is often featured in supplements that claim to raise testosterone levels. While DHA can help with erectile dysfunction as it can increase blood flow, there is insufficient evidence that it can increase libido or testosterone levels and may not enlarge the penis either. Additionally, DHA can cause heart palpitations and negatively affect cholesterol levels. If you have an underlying health condition, be sure to talk to your doctor before trying to take a DHA supplement. Can you enlarge your penis with olive oil? Probably not, but it can help boost your testosterone levels. Studies suggest that consuming olive oil can help your body naturally produce more testosterone. 9. While having more testosterone can help increase libido and improve sexual performance, it won't really enlarge your penis. A healthy diet and exercise can also naturally increase testosterone levels. Healthy fats like olive oil are also great for your heart and circulatory health. Which penis enlargement products really work? Studies suggest that stretching or lengthening devices can increase penis size. Penis stretchers or extenders, also known as penis pullers, are devices that stretch your loose penis. Over time, this can increase penile length by almost 5 inches, some studies suggest. But before using one of these, talk to your doctor to make sure it's safe to use. Your doctor can recommend specific products and give you instructions on how to use the tool safely. Do not take supplements that are not labeled.